If you own a 2004 to 2006 Pontiac GTO, you know that the interior parts are starting to look rough, especially that shift knob. This FENXUNAR replacement promises to bring back that factory-fresh feel, but can a leatherette piece really handle the T56 abuse? We're diving into the FENXUNAR 6-speed manual shift knob and boot, specifically designed to replace those worn-out OEM parts, LMP1316 and LMP1305Y. The first thing that hits you is the color. It's a vibrant, unapologetic yellow, matching the stitching on the leatherette boot. This isn't subtle. It's meant to pop, especially if you have a yellow or black GTO, instantly elevating the center floor area. The material is leatherette, which means durability should be decent and easy to clean, though it won't have the luxurious, soft feel of true leather. It's built to meet industry standards, ensuring reliable and consistent performance, which is exactly what you want when rowing through 6 gears. Now, let's talk installation, because this is where you need to pay close attention. The manufacturer explicitly states 2 things that are critical for a successful install. First, you absolutely need to apply silicone to the shifter shaft to keep the knob from spinning. That's a crucial step they've built into the process, so don't skip it if you want a solid, non-wobbly feel. Second, and this is a big one, the retainer bezel for the boot, part number LMP1318, is not included. You must reuse your old one, or source a new bezel separately. This is a common oversight in aftermarket kits, so be prepared to carefully transfer that piece over. Once installed, the knob feels solid, and the yellow stitching really makes the interior feel fresh again. It's a huge visual upgrade from a cracked or faded original. For GTO owners looking for a high-impact visual refresh without breaking the bank on OEM leather, this FENXUNAR kit delivers. Just remember those 2 installation caveats, silicone and the bezel, and you'll be shifting in style.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.